In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store files on your computer instead of OneDrive. Sometimes, we might prefer to save space on our online storage, or perhaps just want more direct control over our files. Whatever your reason, follow along as I guide you through this simple yet effective process. First, we'll need to change the default save locations on your Windows computer. Begin by accessing your Settings menu. Once you're in, navigate over to System, and then find Storage. This area allows you to manage and decide where different types of content are saved by default. Look carefully and locate the option that says Change where new content is saved. By clicking here, you'll open a window full of drop-down menus. Each menu corresponds to a different type of content, such as documents or music. Select these drop-downs one by one, and then choose your local drive as the destination instead of OneDrive. This action ensures that any future files of the respective types will be automatically saved to your computer's local storage. Moving on, there's an alternative method to ensure your files aren't saved to OneDrive, which you might find useful. Start by locating the OneDrive icon in your taskbar and right-click it. Then head into Settings. Once you're in the settings, look for the Sync and Backup section and select Manage Backup. Here you'll see an overview of folders that are currently set to be backed up to OneDrive. For any folders you prefer to store locally, just uncheck the boxes next to them. By doing this, you're essentially telling OneDrive not to back up these folders, letting them remain on your PC. Now, let's check out how you can manage this when you're working within an application such as Microsoft Word. Suppose you're working on a document and you're ready to save it. Go to File on the menu and then Save As. This action opens up a dialog box. From here, ensure you select This PC. This choice helps confirm that the document will reside on your local disk rather than in the cloud. Next, choose a specific folder where you'd like the document to be saved. This could be any folder on your device that you usually use for storing files. Once you've made your choice, just click Save. By following these steps, you'll have successfully directed your Windows operating system and applications to store files directly onto your local drive, bypassing OneDrive. This method not only aids in managing your storage effectively, but also ensures a bit more privacy for your files. Remember to prefer keeping a backup elsewhere if needed, as relying solely on local storage poses its own risks. I hope you find these instructions helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.